Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you the 4 things you really need for filming videos or vlogs for YouTube. Let's go. The first thing you really need is a click light like this. The click light makes the light much better in a dark room and it don't makes me such ugly when it's dark. So let's go, that's the first thing. So the second thing you really need is a tripod with 3 legs. You can put your phone between there and you also can do this thing. Yes, that's the second one. So, and you also can bend the legs like this so you can put it on a tree or on a chair or something. And yeah. So guys, the third thing you really need is a good phone with a good camera, because cameras ain't cheap, so I hope you have a good phone. I filmed that with the iPhone XR, I think, yeah, with the front camera, so I can see my shit face. But yeah, that's okay. And yeah, that's the third thing. So guys, and the last thing is the app called 24 FPS. It's an app with very cool video filter like this here. I want to show you without and now with, and it changes all the colors around you a lot, and I really appreciate this app. I don't get money from them. Yeah, but I like this app. So thank you guys for watching this little tutorial video. A little video about what you need for filming videos for YouTube. And if you like that, I will travel around the world after lockdown. And yeah, I'm very excited and I'm happy, and I will see you back soon. Bye bye.